Hey everybody, we're going to set up Claude Code today. First step, Claude.ai. You're going to need a Claude subscription. If you don't do this, you will not be able to set up Claude Code. Now, when you arrive here, you got your chat window. I already have a subscription, so you're not going to see the button above that says upgrade. You click on that, go through the process, and sign up. Step 2, we are going to need a terminal. Now, every desktop has a default terminal that you can use. Windows has it, Mac has it too. If you want your terminal to be a little bit more pretty, then you could either get Hyper, which can be used on Windows and Mac, or you grab Ghosty, which works on Mac and Linux, or you get Alacrity, which works with Linux, Mac OS, and Windows. You have your Claude subscription up and running. You chose the terminal you want to use. And now the next step is going to be installing Claude Code. So depending on the system that you're using, you're going to have to grab the correlating command. Copy, paste it here. I'm not going to do it again because I already did. So when you run the command, it'll guide you through the process of getting it set up, and then you should be good to go. When you installed it, you have to call it. And the way you do it is Claude. That's all you have to enter. Claude Code may read, write, or execute files contained in this directory. This can pose security risks, so only use files from trusted sources. It's asking me if I want to give Claude Code access to my whole drive. I don't want to do that. So I'm going to have to change the path. I just want it to have access to one of my projects. Now the way you do that, so I'm going to say no and exit, and then I'm going to look for the path. You go to the file that you want Claude to access, and then up here you can go ahead and just right click, copy the address. Then you go back to your terminal and you enter cd, the path, and it'll change it for you. And then you call on Claude again. It'll now only have access to that one project. I'm going to go on enter, and there we are. That is how simple you can set up Claude Code. So now if you want to learn a little bit about the commands, go on question mark. Here you have all the commands that you can use. Now let's say I want to change the model. Let's see how we can do that. It's /model, and then we can choose. So Opus is the most expensive one. Sonnet is in between. Haiku is the cheapest. Opus 4.5, most capable for complex work. Sonnet 4.5, best for everyday tasks. And Haiku, fastest for quick answers. And you can only use Claude models in Claude Code, of course. You can hit escape to exit. Keep model as Opus? Yes. Let's start off with instructions. And the way you do it is /init. Let's hit it. So we're going to interrupt it here because I actually don't need it to do that. That was just to show. So Control and C will stop. And now it's asking me, what should Claude do instead? Now, if you want to dive a little bit deeper and read some documentation, Claude Code Docs is where you want to go. The community is also sharing a lot of tutorials on how they use it, which is awesome. The community is quite huge. Everybody loves Claude. So I hope you guys have fun. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. You guys have a blessed day.